Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at some more WordPress basics, beginning in with logging in. So with logging into WordPress, you just come along to your WordPress site on localhost. My one is localhost. I use port 82. You might use just localhost or another number. And then I've got WordPress. WordPress is the folder that all of my files are sitting in for WordPress and htdocs. And if I hit enter, it'll take me straight to the website. Now, if I want to log in as a user, all I do is type in wp-admin, and that will take me to the login page, the one we can see here. Now, from yesterday, I set up a really basic admin and login password. I suggest you always do the same when you're working on local. Mine's admin123. I'm just going to log in now, and it's going to take me straight in to the dashboard. That's the process for logging into WordPress. wp-admin will take you to the login page, and then when you log in correctly, you'll see this screen, which is our dashboard or our GUI. So when working with WordPress, your three main areas if you want to add content to the website are the posts section and the pages section. Posts we spoke a little bit about in previous sessions. It's where you make a blog post. So you can think of a post as kind of like a web page, but not specifically. A post is more like a blog post. It gets categorized as a blog within the WordPress system. You can easily make a new one by just using this Add New button. It will then take us to the Add New Post screen, where it will give us lots of options to make a new blog. Over here, we can go add title. I can call this blog post 2. And then I can just click in here to start writing text. This is all fairly basic. It's how you can kind of make a blog post. What else can we do? Well, we can save the draft. By doing that, we're always saving down our blog posts and our new content. That's a good idea when you're working away. And remember that we're working on a CMS, content management system. That means we're using a database. So we can save things now. That's what a database is really for, saving information. By saving what we've made, we can always come back to it later. We can preview it by clicking this button here. I'm going to right click on that, open it in a new tab, and it will give us a preview. And it just shows what it will look like on the website itself. So this is the area of a blog. We also have the settings here. If I click on settings, you can have a look at things like visibility, public. You can do permalinks. This creates a special URL for your blog. So if I was going to call this blog post 2 important, you can see that now the link on the website will have that as the trailing path, whatever we type in here. So that's if you want to do a customized URL. You can have a featured image for your blog. Setting a featured image is really easy. Images are easy in WordPress too. You can select files by clicking that button, and then you can just upload things from your own computer, wherever you may keep images, pictures, things like that. I can just upload an image here. It now places that in my media library. I can set it as a featured image. If we want to add an image into the blog itself, I can just put in some text. And then if I want to add an image, I just click on this plus button here, and then we go to gallery. It's got some default images. I can click on image itself. It will then give me the option of where I want to add it from, a URL, media library upload. I can upload and put in another image here, put in my image of a waterfall. And you can see that now the image is placed in. I can even do things like resizing to scale. I can write a caption. With these options here, we can set the alignment of the image. I can have it centered. I can have it width. I can also have it aligned left. So this is all very simple. It usually varies depending on what version of WordPress you're using, But this is kind of how you can insert images, put in some text, and write a story or a blog in any way that you please. If I want to save that, I can click on preview to look at what it may look like. I can save the draft to save it down, stay on the same page. But if I really want to save it properly, I can just click on publish.